Are you experiencing Amazon Fire Stick error code 01119? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check your internet connection. The error code 01119 is typically caused by issues with your internet connection or device settings while trying to play the BBC iPlayer app. Ensure you have a stable and reliable internet connection. You can check your internet speed using websites like speedtest.net from your mobile or PC. You can also run a speed test from Fire Stick. Open settings from Fire TV Stick Home. Now select Network. Next, select your preferred Wi-Fi network and press the play or pause button on your remote. Now, run a speed test and ensure high-speed internet connectivity. Method 2. Restart the router. The next thing you can do is restart your router or modem. Turn off the router, wait for 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can help resolve any temporary issues with the router. Method 3. Restart your Fire Stick. To resolve minor glitches, power off the device, unplug it from power for 1 minute. Then plug it back in and power it on again. Now relaunch the app on which you are getting the error and check. Method 4. Clear the app cache. The next thing you can do is clear the app cache. To do so, navigate to Settings, then select Applications, then select Manage Installed Applications. Next, select the problematic app, Prime Video, and click Clear Cache or Clear Data as per your system options. This can help remove bugs and glitches associated with the app. This can help resolve temporary glitches as well. Method 5. Disable VPN. If you are using a VPN to access BBC iPlayer, try disabling it. The VPN connection may be triggering the 01119 error. Update app. Make sure you have the latest version of the BBC iPlayer app installed on your Fire Stick. Update the app. You can open the Amazon App Store, search for the app, and check for app updates. Install any update available. Method 6. Uninstall and reinstall the problematic app. If the methods shown don't work, try uninstalling the Prime Video app, then reinstalling it from the Amazon App Store. You can also go to Settings on your Fire TV device. Select Applications, select Manage Installed Applications. Select the app you want to uninstall and then uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions, install the app again and see if the error persists this time. Method 7. Check BBC iPlayer server status. The error could be due to temporary issues on the BBC iPlayer server side. You can check here for any reported outages or maintenance. Method 8. Contact BBC iPlayer support. If the steps shown doesn't resolve the 01119 error, reach out to the BBC iPlayer support for further assistance. They may be able to provide additional troubleshooting steps. And there you have it, the ways to fix Amazon Fire Stick error code 01119. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.